সো এই জিনিসগুলো নিয়ে আমরা আবারও ডিসকাস করবো ইনশাআল্লাহ। আমাদের যেহেতু হাতে টাইম আছে, আমি আর একটু বলি, আগে যে এক্সাম গুলো নিয়েছিলাম বিভিন্ন চ্যাপ্টারের উপর, সারপ্রাইজ টেস্ট বা ইমপ্রুভমেন্ট টেস্ট নামে, তো তোমরা একটু আবার রিভাইজ করলে আই থিঙ্ক ইউ ক্যান আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড প্রপারলি হুইচ টাইপস অফ কোশ্চেন্স ইউ হ্যাভ টু এক্সাম। তো আমরা একটু বেসিক টপিকস গুলোর মধ্যে, অলমোস্ট দেয়ার আর নাও 20+ স্টুডেন্টস কানেক্টেড উইথ আস। When anyone, please raise your hand, those who can answer the difference between line, ray, and line segment. Raise your hand. Line, ray, and line segment. Please raise your hand. No directly answer. Also, you can write in the comment section. First one, 602. Okay, Talha bin Jaman, you can unmute yourself, Baba. Say the difference
Yes, sir.
between line, ray, and line segment. What do you think by this?
So line is a line has no definite size and
Yes.
it has no end point.
Yes.
Ray has only one end point and line segment has two end points.
Line segment has two endpoints. That is the only fixed length is line segment. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And line and ray does not have any definite size.
Yes, yes. Anyone else? Okay. Anyone else? Nahian, you have raised hand. Okay, Baba. Nahian.
Sir, ray has a starting point but no end point. Line, does not have any definite length, so it can go on forever. And a line segment has two end points, so it has definite length.
Okay, that means only the fixed length is the line segment. Sometimes in geometry we write here, suppose this is a line or ray OA. Is it line or ray? OA?
Sorry,
Ray.
ray.
And if we write here OA,
Line. Sir, line.
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 Okay, second one. And if we write here CD,
So it is a
Line.
line.
yes,
Line segment.
this is the line
Line
segment. That
segment.
means in the ray, one side arrow. It's maybe in the right side arrow, left side arrow. In the line, there are two sides arrow, left or right side, that indicate infinite. And the line segment, this is the fixed length. It's maybe 5 centimeter or 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter. So I think all you have the good idea about the line, ray, and line segment. So now, another point, sometimes you do mistakes in the angle. Okay. Angle. Suppose if I draw an angle here, AOB. In the same angle, if we write here like AOB, and suppose this is one point B and this is the point is C. So if we write here like AOB, and here also we can write here AOC. So this information just I want to show, if we increase any line or any side, angle not change. Suppose here OB line changes to OC. In the same way also we can change here, like in the here, this is suppose this is A and there is D and this is O and this is B. Also we can write here DOB. So just here the three angles. In the here three angles, only the side is increasing or decreasing, but the fixed angle O is not changing here. That's why they have the same meaning, AOB, AOC, or DOB. Did you understand this one properly, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes. So that's how we can take the decision when we increase any line. That's why we use here ray. Ray means we can increase this one up to infinite, or that means we can customize this one. So when we change the base side, there OC in OB increase to OC, and here OA increase to OD. That means the line, in a angle there are total two line. Sorry, in a angle there are total two ray and the meet at a fixed points. So we can define here when the two rays meet at a fixed point, they create an angle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I think now sometimes in the creative part, you have to change the angle by using this length of the ray or information. So next, I think few students, sir, ray has a no definite. Yes, thank you, Baba. Your comments is absolutely right. Okay, next part, number 3. Next part, adjust an angle. Raise your hand, no directly answer. Adjacent angle. This is important for MCQ. Mark here, adjacent angle. Please raise your hand. I will call your name. This is video. My video is off. I am okay. Adjacent angle. Who can say the definition of adjacent angle, dear students? There are only 2 students, 3
Sir.
students,
Sir,
3
there is
students.
no-
No, Baba, please. I will call your name. If you raise your hand, please. Those who want to answer, please raise your hand. Adjacent angle. Okay, 632. Baba, please 132. Unmute yourself.
The angles having a common vertex and a common side and lying next to each other is called an adjacent angle.
Absolutely right answer. Anyone else? Anyone else? Thank you, Baba, so much. Anyone else? Talha, already you have answered. Tahmid. Okay, Baba, unmute yourself. Do you explain the adjacent angle, Tahmid?
Sir,
Can you explain?
Sir, the angle which 3 angles make 180 degrees.
Clear again, loudly.
Second answer.
Okay, okay, please give attention now. Anyone else? The only 2 students have raised hand. Adjacent means just adjust to each other. They mean the 2 angles, they are side to each other. Suppose, okay, let me clear one point. There are 2 angles. The number 1, there are also 2 angles. This is the figure A, figure 1, and this is figure 1, and this is the figure 2, first angle, second angle, here first angle, second angle, and this is the figure 2. Okay, next, this is the third angle, figure 1, angle 2. This is the figure 3, figure 3. Another angle we can mention here, one figure 2. Okay, now which figure is the adjacent angle? Anyone? Raise your hand. Which figure is the adjacent angle here? We can mention here, this one is angle, 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 angle. Which figure is adjacent angle? Or another figure we can mention here, suppose just one or clear. Figure 5, angle 1, angle 2. Which number figure is the figure of adjacent angle? Please, Baba, raise your hand. There are 5 students have raised hand. Which figure? Figure number 1, figure number 2, figure number 3. There are 5 different figures. Which figure is the exact of the adjacent angle? Okay, now everyone. So it's time for the Tahsin Sarwar Baba. Can you unmute yourself? Tahsin. Which
So figure 3.
Figure 3 is adjacent angle. Okay,
Yes.
now, okay, just wait few moment. Now 407, which figure is adjacent angle?
Figure 3.
Figure 3. 506.
Figure 3.
Okay, now Tahsin Sarwar, let me explain why you think figure 3 is adjacent angle. Tahsin.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. Why you think figure 3 is adjacent angle? Why
Sir,
not?
because it has a common vertex and a common side and they're lying next to each other.
They are lying to each other. Okay, yes, absolutely right answer. Thank you so much. Okay, let me clear here one thing. Sometimes you do mistake. In the figure A, they have a common line. Okay, just see here. They have a common ray, but not the common vertex. That's why this is not adjacent angle. In the figure 2, they have a common vertex, not the common ray in between 1 and 2 angles. That's why this is not adjacent angle. In the figure number 3, they have a common vertex and the common ray. So this one is the adjacent angle. Next, figure number 3, they have no common vertex and common ray. This is not the adjacent angle. And here the common ray, we see here, this is the common ray, but not the common vertex. That's why this is not the adjacent angle. I hope now definition is very clear. They have a common ray, common vertex, and stay with each other. That means the two adjacent angle lying to having to each other, and they have a common vertex and common ray is called the adjacent angle. Sometimes you have to answer so many questions by using adjacent angle. Suppose there is a 90-degree angle, and this is 90-degree angle, and its adjacent angle is 60. This is 60 degree. Then what will be the angle of this one? The angle of this one, you have raised hand. Okay.
Answer 30 degree.
Yes, 30 degree, because there is an adjacent angle and together they make 90 degree. So this one will be the 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60, that means a 30 degree. So by using the adjacent angle, we have to answer so many questions in exam hall. Next part, adjacent angle, right angle. I think all you have idea about the right angle and perpendicular. So this is adjacent angle. By using the concept of adjacent angle, we can answer two types of questions. First one is supplementary angle, another one is complementary angle by using the adjacent angle. So this is complementary angle. Who can answer the definition of complementary angle? Raise your hand. Then the another part is supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. So dear students, as previous question, raise your hand. Just few students continuously raising their hand. What about others? Baba, why not others? Only 5 to 6 students continuously they are raising their hand. What about others? Please, everyone. Now I will call your name. So, dear students, sir, I have a problem in the raising hand. Okay, now, Tahmid Ahmed already, yes. But Tahmid Ahmed says, sir, I have a problem in raising hand. So how can I answer this question? Okay, Tahmid, I think you are facing now. My request to you, do not unmute yourself. So তুমি continuously তোমার নিজেকে unmute রাখো. When I will call your name, then you can answer me. Those who are facing the problem in raising hand. Now, other student, please raise your hand. Is there new students? Talha. Okay, Nahian, it's your time. 505.
Two angles having 90 degrees is known as complementary angles.
Yes. Yes, two angles having 90 degree. That means one angle is called the complementary of other's angle. Okay, now Talha bin Jaman, supplementary angle.
So if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then it's called supplementary angle.
Then one angle is called supplementary of others, not supplementary angle. One angle is called supplementary of others. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Baba. So this is the figure of complementary angles. We can draw the here. Suppose this is a 90 degree. If this angle is 30 degree, This one will be 60 degrees. So 60 complementary 30, 30 complementary 60. So here they are straight angle. If we draw a line here, suppose this is a 140 and this is the 40 degree. So this is the adjacent angle. They are also adjacent angle because they have a common vertex and the common ray. Here the common ray, this one is the common ray, this one is the common ray, and they have a common vertex. And here this one is the common ray, they have a common vertex. So they are aligned to each other, and there are two angles together make a straight angle. That's why 40 degree is a supplementary of 140, or 140 is a supplementary of 40. So they are called the supplementary to each other. Must you have to answer MCQ by using this information. By using this information, you have to answer at least 2 or 3 MCQ in the exam.
Sir?
Yes.
স্যার
Yes,
আমাদেরকে তো এমসিকিউ তে 30টা এমসিকিউ উত্তর দিতে হবে, কিন্তু ওখানে কি লাইক অপশন থাকবে আর 30টা আসবে 30টা দিতে হবে?
না না বাবা, এমসিকিউ তে তোমাদের এক্সট্রা কোন অপশন থাকবে না। তোমাদের 30টা এমসিকিউ 30টাই আনসার করতে হবে। অপশন থাকবে প্রত্যেকটা কোশ্চেনের 4টা অপশনের মধ্যে রাইট ওয়ানটা চুজ করবা আফটার ডুইং ম্যাথ। এমসিকিউ তে কোনো অপশন থাকবে না বাবা, এক্সট্রা কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকবে না। Every classes up to 6 to higher level, there is no extra questions. Clear?
তো স্যার
Okay. Now next part, I think this concept is clear to you. By using the concept of supplementary angle or complementary angle, we have proved the theorems number 1 and theorems number 2. Next one, number 6, the content is vertically opposite angles. Number 6, this is the straight line. The topic is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Raise your hand, Baba, those who can answer vertically opposite angles. Raise your hand. Nahian, is there 609? Shafin Ahmed, you have raised hand, but I see your light here, not your face, Baba. Okay, now, okay, Baba, unmute yourself. Try to answer me. What do you mean? What do you know about?
So are vertically opposite to each other are called vertically opposite angle.
Again, please. Again, please.
Two angles which cross
Yes.
two lines which crossed each other and formed 4 angles which
Yes.
one's vertically opposite.
Okay. Yes, I got your point. That means you want to say here the two lines cross each other. There are total
And
four
form
angles.
4 angles.
4 angles.
And
So
one angle's opposite angle is vertically opposite.
yes, they are the vertically opposite, means they have a same vertex but direction is opposite. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, Baba. Thank you so much. Absolutely right answer. Thank you. Anyone else? I think you didn't write your room number. Moinuzzaman Mojumdar. Now, Baba, unmute yourself. What do you mean by the vertically opposite angle? Unmute yourself, Baba. Moinuzzaman Mojumdar, you have turned on your video. Please, if possible, unmute yourself. Okay. Vertically opposite angle, he said here, 609, said here the two rays, suppose A and B, the first line, another line is CD. The two rays intersect each other at the point and they make total 4 angle, 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle, 4 angle. And this angle is the vertically opposite of this angle, and this angle is the vertically opposite of this angle because they have a same vertex and the direction is opposite to each other. There are 4 angles have a same vertex, and 4 and 2 they have a same ray but the vertex is the same. And now angle 1 and angle 3, they have a same ray. Just আমরা এটাকে প্রডিউস করলে another side এর অ্যাঙ্গেল গুলো পাবো। যে কোন একটা রে কে আমি যদি সাপোজ দিস ইজ দ্য রে, এখন এই রেটাকে যদি আমি এখানে অ্যারো ইউজ করি, this one will be the line. So, and the line having the common vertex, and this is the opposite of this one. They have a same vertex. That's why the vertically opposite. They have the same vertex, vertically opposite. So now this is clear to you. Next point, one of the most important part, not only for this class, also in the upper level, parallel lines. There are so many angles related with the parallel lines. So if we call the name of the parallel line, there are so many angle comes to us. Okay, this angle, what is the name of this angle? Anyone in the parallel line? This is a parallel line. Suppose this is A and B, and this is C and D, and another line is EF. They intersect O and P. So now raise your hand, my dear boy, please. Is there any new student? Nahian already, you have said so many answers. Shafin Ahmed already done. 632, you already done. Is there any new student, please? Those who can explain me about the angle. What types of angle seen here? Is seen here, number 7. Any new student, please? Okay, I will call your name. Those who are hidden now, please, Baba. My request to all of you, turn on your camera. There are still now connected 50 students with us. All 10 students, they didn't turn on their camera, please. Around 10 to 12 students, they didn't turn their camera. So I think the measures of two angle is at the, okay, just one. There are only 5 students have raised hand. What about others? Tahmid, okay. Now 608, unmute yourself. 608, Baba, unmute yourself. Are you here? বাবা তুমি কি এখানে আসো নাকি ক্লাসে অন থেকে অন্য কাজ করছো বাবা?
Yes, sir.
Okay, unmute yourself. Okay, what types of figure what types of angle is seen here in the number 7? এই যে আমি মার্ক করলাম, এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটার নাম কি বাবা, তুমি বলতে পারবে?
No, sir.
বাবা একদম সিম্পল কোশ্চেন বাবা, আমরা একদম এই বছরের অলমোস্ট শেষের দিকে আসছি বাবা, একটু ভালো করে পড়তে হবে। ওকে প্লিজ, অ্যানাদার ওয়ান 410 কুবাইত করিম।
স্যার আমি এই জায়গাটা পারবো না স্যার, সরি স্যার।
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ বাবা, একটু মনোযোগ দাও বাবা, একটু ভালো করে পড়তে হবে। আমি শুধু এখানে একটা অ্যাঙ্গেল মেনশন করছি, শুধু তুমি অ্যাঙ্গেলটার নাম বলবা। 407, is it possible to answer 407? What types of angle is seen here?
Perpendicular.
Is there any perpendicular line? I don't see here any perpendicular line, Baba. No, this is not the correct answer. 415.
Sir,
What types of angle is seen here in the number 7? Number 7 ফিগারের মধ্যে যে অ্যাঙ্গেলটা দেখা যাচ্ছে এটা কোন অ্যাঙ্গেল বাবা? Can you explain this name of say the name of the angle? When
sir,
they are
acute angle.
This is acute angle definitely, but in the considering with the parallel line, considering with the parallel line, what type of angle this one? From alternate angle, from corresponding angle, from interior angle, from external angle or exterior angle? Which types of angle this one?
Sir, it is external angle.
Is the external angle. Okay, I think your answer is not the correct, Baba. Please give attention.
I can
and
say.
okay, now I have to move Tasin server. Okay,
So alternate angle.
alternate angle, Baba. Absolutely right, your answer is correct. Aske Tasinir performance onek bhalo, thank you, Baba. Okay, now explain me why you think this is alternate angle.
So because they are opposite of each other.
They are opposite. They are opposite side of the transversal. Clear?
Yes.
So
They are also
transversal মানে কি?
transversal means the line which intersect or passes through the two parallel line. This is called the transversal. This line is transversal. Clear?
Oh, okay,
The
sir.
line which passes through the parallel line, and then make total 4 angle inside the parallel line. This is angle and this angle. Okay, let me clear by giving the different color. This angle and this angle, and now this angle and this angle. When the transversal passes through the parallel line, it makes the 4 angle inside the parallel lines. These the opposite two angles are called alternate angle of each other. Suppose this angle is 45 degree, this one will be 45 degree. If this angle is 120 degree, this one will be 120 degree. So now figure seen here, this is alternate angle. So you can write the name here. In the first figure, we see here the alternate angle. Let me.
So আমরা কি সব লিখে রাখবো না?
তোমরা যতটুকু কাজ করছো বাবা একটু পসিবল হলে লিখে নাও, কারণ আমি যতই তোমাদের মুখে বলি না কেন একটু লিখে রাখলে তুমি রিভাইজ দিতে পারবে। কারণ ক্লাসের পরে অনেক কিছুই ভুলে যাবে, আবার যখন ক্লাসের কপিতে রিভিউ করবে দেন ইউ ক্যান আনসার প্রপারলি। Alternate angle. So in the mentioned figure is alternate angle. Now again, next question number 8. If there is a parallel line, and again this is the transversal, what types of angles seen here? This one and this one. Let me একটু ফিগারটাকে আমি একটু ছোট করে নেই। Raise your hand, no direct answer. There are also parallel line and the transversal. Okay. Now let me clear. Okay. Now I'll call your name. Everyone, please, those who can answer properly, raise your hand. First angle is alternate angle. So now what is the angle seen in the number 8? Number 8. Okay, let me find out the new students. যারা একটু সাইলেন্ট আছে বাবা আমি তোমাদের নাম করব। There are around 20 students that did not turn on their camera. Anytime host may remove you, baba.
So I can't turn on my camera because my USB is not working.
Okay, ঠিক আছে baba. Now this is the time for 522. Can you hear me, baba? 522. Unmute yourself. Response with me. 522.
Yes, sir.
What types of angle is seen in the number 8? Can you answer this one? Suppose if I draw the figure clearly, this angle and this angle, they have the same meaning. Both are the same. So what types of angle? What is the name of the angle shown in the figure? Is it possible to answer? বাবা একটু ভালো করে পড়তে হবে বাবা, একদম সিম্পল জিনিস। আমরা প্যারালাল লাইনের অনেকগুলো ক্লাস নিয়েছিলাম। Now 525. Ramesh, Shimam, 525. Sorry, 425. I'm sorry, 425. B1. Unmute yourself. 425. Ramesh, Ishmam, can you hear me? Please unmute yourself. Just I can see you and sending the request to unmute yourself.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Can you say the name of the figure seen in the number 8? Number 8. Name of the figure. A simple question, Baba. Please. একটু বোঝা যাচ্ছে বাবা তোমরা অনেকেই পড়াশোনা একটু ফাঁকিবাজি দিচ্ছ বাবা, একটু মনোযোগ দিয়ে পড়তে হবে। দেখো এই টপিকস গুলো সেই কখন আমরা পড়িয়েছি, আমার তো বিশ্বাস ছিল যে তোমরা সবাই আজকে আনসার করতে পারবে। Okay, now raise hand who can answer this name of the angle. Already Tasin, I have received your answer so many times student. No, it's the 609. 609. Shafin, what is the name of the angle seen in the figure number 8?
Same angles. Because they both are
Yes, same direction. So please again, the name of the angle. Is it alternate angle or corresponding angle or vertically opposite angle?
Again,
So yes,
again, Bolin.
what is the name of the angle shown in the number 8? Is it corresponding angle or alternate angle? Okay, now 632. 632.
That this is corresponding angles.
Why you think this is corresponding angle?
Because
Because বলার পরে আনসার না দিলে তো ট্রেন চলে যাবে, তুমি তো মিস করবা। হ্যাঁ, because why you think it's corresponding angle? একটু বুদ্ধি করে বলো, ফিগারটা দেখে একটু আইডিয়া বের করো। They are the same side of the transversal. Clear?
yes sir.
And they one angle is inside the parallel line, other angle is outside the parallel line. Clear?
Okay sir.
So the 2 point, they are same side of the transversal, and one angle is inside the parallel line, another angle is outside the parallel line. Clear?
Okay sir.
Okay, so now it's clear to all of you. Next questions. Baba, একটু তোমাদের দেখি parallel line নিয়ে তোমাদের confusion একটু বেশি. So now question number 9. So নাম বলছি না দেখি। It's the parallel line. Name of these two angles. In the parallel lines, let me clear. This is not the perpendicular. Sometimes you may guess this is perpendicular, not perpendicular. I didn't mention here this one is a perpendicular. Only its name is transversal. F, A, B, and C, D. So suppose this angle and this angle, the together, suppose if I mention here this angle is A, this is O, and this is B. This angle we can mention here B. What will be the sum of A plus B? And what is the reason behind this? Raise hand. Sum of A plus B and the name of the angle A plus B related with the parallel line. Okay, now Talha, I have received your answer so many times. Shanto, Samad Khan, I have received your answer so many times. Tasin also done. Nahia already same. Any new student, please raise hand. What is the sum of A plus B? Tahmid, yes, I have received your answer so many times. Now it's time for new one. Ektu darao, ektu height kore nei kauke. Titash, can you hear me or are you here, Titash? Okay. Now 621, Samir. 621, Samir, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What types of angles seen here? In what is the total result of A plus B from the figure? From the
Sir, I
figure.
can see. Sir, I can see.
Okay, another one. I think বাবা তোমরা যারা ক্যামেরা অন করো নাই তাদেরকে কিন্তু কোশ্চেন করতে পারবো না, কারণ তুমি কি ক্যামেরা অন না করলে তো বুঝতে পারবো না তুমি কি ক্লাসে আসছো না ক্লাসটা অন করে দিয়ে তুমি পাশের রুমে ঘুমাচ্ছ, এখনো তোমার ঘুম ফুলফিল হয় নাই। তা তোমরা ক্যামেরা অন না থাকলে আমি বুঝতে পারবো না বাবা। অনেকেই দেখি তোমরা ক্লাসে থাকো, এইদিকে ক্যামেরা অন থাকে, রেকর্ড হচ্ছে, আর তুমি হয়তো ভাবছো যে এখন আমার 8 ঘন্টা ঘুম ফিল আপ হয় নাই। So now it's time for Titash. Unmute yourself. Titash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the total result of A plus B? Suppose this angle is A, this angle is B. What is the total sum of angle A plus B? And what the name of this sum of these two angles related with the parallel line?
Sorry, sir. What?
আচ্ছা আমি আরেকটু ক্লিয়ার করি। এই যে ফিগারের মধ্যে A plus B, A means this upper angle, B means this angle. So what will be the sum of A plus B?
A plus B.
Related with the parallel line. Okay, you can think now. Talha.
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
is
so
the
the sum will be 180 degree and it's supplementary angle.
It's supplementary angle, not related with the supplementary. Your first answer is correct.
Yes, sir. So you have said that what's the name of the sum of the angle?
But sum of
So,
the
sir,
angle is 180.
straight-
Yes, your first answer is correct. Supplement 180, but not the supplementary angle. Supplementary angle is concept is together they make 180 and the common vertex and
straight
yes.
angle.
No,
Straight
no,
angle.
no. This is another. Okay, let me the name of the angle. I think there are 5 students have raised hand. Who can say the name of the angle?
Because both
Interior
are right
angle,
angle.
interior.
Yes, yes. Who said
Because
interior
A and
angle?
B are
Yes,
right
sir,
angle.
I 506.
506 interior angle. So this is the name of interior angle.
A and B both are right angle. 90
Uh,
degree plus 90 degree, 180
No,
degree.
Baba, I have just clear here. This is not the perpendicular line. You have to answer related with the parallel line. Suppose like this. What is the sum of this angle? The sum will be always 180 and it's called the interior angle. Interior angle. And interior angle sum is interior angle sum is equals to 180 degree. অর্থাৎ ট্রান্সভার্সালের সে দুটোই হচ্ছে ইনসাইড দ্য প্যারালাল লাইন এন্ড সেম সাইড অফ দ্য ট্রান্সভার্সাল সো ইন্টেরিয়র অ্যাঙ্গেল সাম ইজ 180 ডিগ্রি ক্লিয়ার সো interior angle those who said the name interior angle absolutely right answer. So next question number 10. Interior angle done, corresponding angle done, alternate angles done. I think angle related concept we have complete here. So now this is new questions from the triangle. So many easy questions. So I now first I mute everyone, then I call your name. Okay. Sorry. I hope 100% student can answer this one. Raise your hand, dear students. Raise your hand. There are 5 students. Number 10 figure. Maximum student you have to raise hand now. Just identify the name of the triangle. I think someone is searching the where is the option of raising hand. Baba ekটু দেখো everyone, this is class 4 and 5 standard question. Name of the triangle. এখন তোমরা না বললো কিন্তু আমি তোমাদেরকে ফাইন্ড আউট করব। আতিফ আব্দুল্লাহ 606. Atif Abdullah. Baba, please, can you hear me? Atif Abdullah Ranan. I think he is. Baba, তুমি কি ক্লাসে অন করে কি কোথাও ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছ? প্লিজ। ওকে, নেক্সট ওয়ান। আমি অন্য একজনকে ফাইন্ড 400. Now already we have said answer to me. This is the last question. Now, Adib Ahmed Chowdhury 622. Adib Ahmed Chowdhury 411. Unmute yourself. Muntasi 613. Why am I
Yes,
audible?
sir.
Okay, Baba, name of the angle. What? Sorry, name of the triangle. Name of the triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
Is it isosceles triangle? This is not the clear answer. There are so many signs given here. Just you have considered here one sign. There are another sign informations given here. Your answer is right, but the 50% correct. There are another informations here. Now 6 student raised hand. Yes, 400. Okay, Dhruva Shaha 403. Baba.
Sir, I think এটা হচ্ছে obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. দাঁড়াও, তোমার এখনই বঙ্গোপসাগরে ছেড়ে দিয়ে আসতে হবে, আরেকটু ওয়েট করো। তোমাকে বে অফ বেঙ্গলে নিয়ে আমি রেখে আসবো। It's obtuse angle. Oh, I think
Supplementary triangle.
সাপ্লিমেন্টারি ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, এটা কি বাবা আপনি ইনভেন্ট করছেন? সাপ্লিমেন্টারি ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, দ্য নেম অফ দ্য ইনভেন্টর অফ দ্য ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, এটা কি নিজের বানানো ট্রায়াঙ্গেল? ওকে তালহা, ইটস ইউর টাইম।
Yes, sir, it's right angle triangle.
Right angle triangle.
এখানে দুটো ইনফরমেশন আছে, দুটোকে একসাথে
Isosceles and right angle triangle.
Isosceles and right angle triangle.
আইসোসেলিস এন্ড রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল। তো যারা অবটিউজ অ্যাঙ্গেল বলছে এরা কি কারণে অবটিউজ বললো, নাকি এক স্যারে জিজ্ঞেস করলে এই জন্য একটা কিছু বলা দরকার? Okay, so this is right angle and isosceles triangle because here two sides are the same. If we name the angle A, B, C, here B angle is 90 degree. That's why this is right angle and two side AB is equals to BC. That's why this is isosceles information. This is right angle information. So that's why this is right angle and isosceles triangle. So my dear students, thank you so much. Next class গুলোতে আরো ভালো করে সবাইকে আনসার করতে হবে। Please, my request to all of you, this is your exam times and revise properly up to last. Inshallah, next class we will practice some MCQ also like this and basic discussions and also creative questions. So my dear student, thank you so much. Hope to see you all in the next classes and wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you.